Yeah, we are back for the second unboxing, which is we have another unboxing. This is what I order. Let's go and see. This time I order a big size because since that I am not Oroborobokebo. What's going, baby? What's going, baby? Since that I am not Oroborobokebo, so I went for a bigger size. Let's go for this first. This is a trouser. Yeah, it makes sense. It makes sense. Yeah. Yeah. This is massive. This one is very nice. Okay, we are going to try it so that this video will not won't be long. Wow. Wow, exactly. What is this? What did I put for inside this one? Ah, okay, no. Okay. Okay. Look at these. Look at this. Oh my God, this is beautiful. This is really beautiful. It's so, okay, this one is the best. Okay. Let me go and try it, guys. Let's go and try it. I'm coming. Let me go and try it. It's beautiful. Yeah, this is the best that came with it. Yeah. Okay, this one would go. Okay, you use this one. Ta 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 ta. This is how it is. Okay. This is the top, and this is the trouser. Okay, the trouser is like this, which is I'm going to be pulling it. What do you guys think? It's beautiful. It's classic. It's good for occasion. It's good for everywhere. Okay, wow, this is really beautiful. So I choose. I know high for something. I got high for something. Look at the back. They are beautiful. This is where the flower will be, okay, from the back. This is the flower of the birds, and the way they knit everything, you know, from the up top to the down. I really like the design. The design is very, very nice. So right now, let's remove the birds and remove the top. Okay, this one is mine. This one is mine. This is the trouser. Okay. So the trouser has pocket, and I love trouser that have pocket. Oh yeah, turn around 360, 365, 367, 364, 367, 3. Are you see? Are you guys see? Oh yeah. It's beautiful. I really like what I ordered, and they are beautiful. So let's go for the third episode. I am coming back very soon.